Hi kids, today I'm gonna review how to make the paper airplanes. Yeah! I made this one, and the coolest one is this one. Yeah! So watch how far they go. Yeah! I'm gonna aim it to here. So you have to take it up. You have to take it. So I'm gonna go that way. So I'm gonna sit here and watch. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Look at that. Where they land. They land right here. It's so crazy. And I draw a picture of Mario and Luigi. But today we're gonna not review about this. Today we're gonna review about the dominoes. Dominoes. Yeah. So today we're gonna review about the dominoes. Well, let's go down. Whoa! Slide down into the slide. Okay, so this is domino. Also, let's just make the light shine. Okay, so what we need is you gotta make the highest tower. Let's try that. Try and make it higher. First, I'm gonna make it so hard. It's kind of so hard. So hard to build it. Let's just make it like this. And this can be it. Or just 3. So maybe you can. You cannot see me? Okay. Here we go. This is what I make it. I'm gonna make it taller. The color of the dominoes you can't see. Someone is lighter than the other color. So silly. Whoa. And then when I make it, and then make all the colors, and then I'm gonna try to smash them. So maybe you're gonna blow the chance and try to take it out. So let's just do like this. Well, it's like a pokey. It's like a pokey now. You want to wash around here. Yeah, this is a light. See? Yeah. We make it so high. Well, it's kind of tricky, this game. Oh no, the rain is gonna come now. But we're in the house, so just easy. So we're gonna make like this. Then, oh, it's so tall now. This looks like, oh, look at that. It's a bunch of dominoes. But it doesn't fall yet. Oh, it's kind of like a pokey. Look at that. Do you see? It's kind of like a pokey. Yeah. And then now we're going to take it like this. And like this. It's kind of like, whoa, so high. But we need more dominoes. Look at that. That's how high is it. It's kind of hard if you do that. Oh, and this balance now. So it's this. Oh no. No. Oh no. Okay. Let's just take the bottom with 2 dominoes. See how high I can make. Whoa. It's kind of, whoa! So that's how I got. Oh, and some domino just stand. So cool that the domino just stand. And the bottom of them still stand. Yeah. It's so powerful, but it's not powerful like that day that that review was like whoa like that. When I blow that, It's so powerful. So if I make that and blow like that, maybe it's gonna break by 1, 2 times. So whoa. So we're gonna take it out and we're gonna review and so now we're gonna review how to build the airplanes now. Okay, so I'm going to get a paper, so you stay right here. Don't go anywhere, okay? 3, 2, 1, I'm gonna go. Here we got it, a paper. See, so I'm gonna tell you how to build it. So there's going to be a paper and the long side, or you can make like this, or you don't make it, so you can. Because if you don't make it, it will be so big. So I'm gonna do that and make it nice and flat like this. So we make it like a triangle and mix it nicely like this, so it don't go out. And then whoa, and it looks so scary. And then this one, I'm gonna take it. Oh, so the triangle, I'm gonna take it right over here. Okay, so the triangle is going to go right over here and just do like this. And then we're gonna make another triangle, but it's going to be this side. I don't know if you can or not, but it's kind of a little bit. Also, let's try to make him like this. Oh, it's hard. This is hard. So maybe just make it like that. Great. And another side. Let's make it like a triangle. Let's make it. And then gonna make it other one. Gonna make other one. And then we're gonna do like this. So we got it. There you go, the triangle. And make it this side. So now we're gonna make this side. Now this side, what we're gonna do is, we're gonna take it like this. Whoop. And then what you have to do next is this thing, and then you. Oh, it's kind of hard. This one. This one is hard. So, but you have to make it like this. You make it like this. See? You don't see, but you have to make it like this. So we make like this first, and then you do like this. And then just slide this thing down. And then slide. Whoa. It's kind of a little bit hard. But I can do it. Yeah. Also, it's kind of a little bit trickier, this thing. Whoa. Yeah. So we got it. I can only like this. So let's just try to make it like that. And then next we're gonna flip it this way. No, we don't have to flip, so we're gonna make it other side. Make the other side like this. The other side, and make it like this, and take it like this. I don't know if it's correct or not, but it's kind of, yeah. So it's kind of hard. So, well, it's kind of trickier, because when you make it like this, then you flap this another one, like that, and then take it like this. Well, that's a giant airplane. It looks so big. This. Whoa. And then you make it like this. And then you make it like this. And make it like this. Here we go. And then you take it. And this is how you take it now. You just squeeze it nice and flat. So it's kind of hard to make it. But we're going to make it this way now. Let's go this way, this way, this way. And there you go. We got an airplane. Let's try to get up. It's go forward, but I'm going to tell you, you can make like this. So So I'm going to get a pencil. Here is a pencil. So we're going to use the pencil. And then what you're going to use it is, so there's a pencil. And then this airplane, what you're going to make it, going to take like this. So it can go left or right way. So I'm going to make it like this. I'm going to make it. And then take it out. It's kind of like a circle, like this. Well, then other side we're gonna make it like this. And then we got it, the new airplane. You want to see how far I do it? Okay, I'm gonna sit. I'm gonna take you right here. Whoa! And then I'm gonna flying up. 3, 2, 1, go! So that time it just go like this. Watch. 3, 2, 1, go. I just make him. It's go. And it go left. It go right way. That's so crazy. Yeah, so you can color it and make it a beautiful airplane. So maybe today I'm going to say bye. See you next video with more airplanes, face, and colors. Meow! I am upside down.